Hey guys, welcome to day 9 of solving LeetCode daily challenges. So today's problem is bitwise and of numbers range. So the statement is given as given two integers left and right that represent range left and right. Return the bitwise and of all numbers in this range inclusively. That is, we need to find the and of the numbers between 5 and 7, including 5 and 7. Let's take a simple example to understand the problem. So given 5 and 7 is left and right. So in between this range we have 6. So can we say like bitwise or binary representation of 5 is 101 and 6 is 110 and 7 is 111. What will be the bitwise and of the all these three numbers? Let's say bitwise and of these two will become 100 and bitwise and of these two will become 100. So can we say like these three numbers are different? So true, false, true, it will become false. And here also the bits are different. So it will become 0. And we see that 1, 1 and 1. So the three are same. So can we say like if we find the common prefix, we can say only the common prefix have the 1 and others will be as 0. So the approach is we need to find the common prefix of the range, or let's say left and right. So let's take an example, left equals to 5 and right equals to 7. So what will be the common prefix? How to find the common prefix first? Till these numbers are not equal, we'll do left shift or sorry, right shift 1 of L and right shift R by 1, and when these both will become equal, will stop the shift operation. How will this work? Let's take 5 is taken as 1, 1, 0, 1, and right, that is 7, will be equals to 1, 1 and 1. When we do right shift, so this both will be eliminated. So this will be our result after one left right shift. So we'll take a counter c equals to 0. Initially we have done first right shift, so increment it by 1, and then we compare if both L equals to R or not. So here it's not equal, so again we do a right shift. So in this case we see that 1 equals to 1, so we increment the counter to 2 and we see that both are equal, so we found that our common prefix is equals to 1. Now when we do a left shift till the counter value, let's say we are doing left shift till this count, what will we get? So it's 2, so we do left shift 2 times and the answer will be 100, which is our AND operation between 5 to 7 inclusively. It's 4, it is written as answer. So let's do the code part now. First we are taking a counter equals to 0 and we are seeing that till the left and right is not equal, we do right shift. So let's say while left is not equals to right, we do right shift left. Okay, so let's take, okay, we are doing left shift equals to 1 and right shift equals to 1. That is, we are doing right shift for both the integers and then incrementing count by 1. When they become equal, we need to return left, or we can say right, left shift by how many times we did the left right shift. So c number of times. So just return our left shift 2. Now let's run the code and see if it's correct. Yeah, the code runs fine. Let's submit it. The code is submitted successfully for every test case. So let's think of the time complexities here. We are doing left shift how many number of times till L equals to R. So can we say in the worst case L will be equals to 0 and R will be equals to 2 power 32 minus 1. So our time complexity will be equals to order of 32 in this case, and space complexity is only the C variable. So the space complexity is equals to order of 1. So that is it for today, guys. If you have liked my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.